Hi, you're welcome to Chorus Tuesday. Today I'll be showing you another top two platform you can go and start tutoring students and start making money for yourself. Actually, this platform will be working as a as a teacher. So for those of you that think you have capability of teaching students online, you can come to this platform, then apply and start working for them. So I want you to go to your Chrome browser and search for a platform named khanacademy.org. Khanacademy.org. You can see I'm currently inside the platform of khanacademy.org. For every student, every classroom, real results. We are non-profit with the mission to provide free world-class education for anyone, anywhere. You can just click on start here. Why can Academy work? Personalized learning, student practice at their own pace, first filling in gaps in their understanding and then accelerating their learning. Trusted content, tools to empower teachers, differentiate your classroom and engage every student. You can see we empower teachers to support their entire classroom. 90% of US teachers who have used Khan Academy have found us effective. Teachers can click on here to start. You can learn anything here. So we'll be joining here as a teacher. So I want to scroll underneath and search for careers. You can see careers. Just click on careers. I'm currently inside the careers category. We have got an ambition mission, but together we can achieve it. Every child deserves the chance to learn regardless of where they are or their circumstances. So we are driving by our community. Let me scroll down for you to see the benefit of you joining this platform as a tutor. You can see this is their packs. They have competitive salaries, health and wellness benefits, flexible time off, 401k plus matching, affinity groups, paid parental leave, fun virtual events, and many more. This is their present current openings. They are looking for backend engineer, director of engineer, senior engineer manager infrastructure, senior engineer manager product, and many more, and many more, and many more. So other alternate careers can also join this platform too. Let me go back and click on let's scroll down, teachers, start here. You can see you'll be joining this platform as a teacher. We join this platform as teacher. So if you think you don't have those qualifications available, you can join this platform as a teacher. By joining them as a teacher, you also have the ability to make differences for people. So the number two platform I'll be showing is named Schooly.com. You can see unlimited on-demand tutoring with professional educators, one-on-one drop-in homework, help, and 24-hour assignment review. You can see connect with us, one-on-one learning experience with the best online tutor. Let's scroll down. For online tutoring, for tutors, for parents, for students, for schools, they have all these different categories available. Available for you. You can also click on find out more to learn more about this. So you can also come here to register as a tutor. By registering as a tutor, they are going to pay you for teaching students. So that's just it. Kindly the notification bell and subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop some video just like this. Thanks.